Hey guys, welcome to Quick Learn. For today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to fix your screen that is lagging on your iPhone or iPad after the iOS 16.3 update. This video is going to be really simple, so make sure you watch until the end. The first thing you want to do is to simply restart your phone. To do that, just simply long press your Apple button and the volume up at the same time and wait until a restart slide button appears. So if you're on an iPhone X above, you're going to want to click on the power button and then the volume up. You're going to hold it and then restart slide button will appear. But if you're iPhone 8 and below, you're going to have to just hold on the power button. If that doesn't work, we have our second method. Try to disable transparency motion effects. To do this, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility, tap on Motion, and turn it off. And turn off Reduce Motion. Reducing motion will help you increase smoothness in your device. If they're still lagging, let's hop onto our third method, Clear Cache and Data. Simply go back to Settings menu and scroll down to look for Safari. Tap on it, and then tap on, and then scroll down to find Clear History and Website Data. This will clear your cache and data that may be causing lag on your iPhone or iPad. If that still doesn't work, we have our last method. So, generally just reset your iPhone. Go to General, Transfer and Reset, Transfer or Reset, and then tap on Reset. So you're going to want to reset all settings. After trying all these methods, I believe your device will reduce its lag. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.